Do you know many people are having trouble with changing the light bulb on their Husqvarna Viking Emerald 116 sewing machine? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Ensure safety first. Firstly, ensure your safety by turning off the power switch and allowing the light bulb to cool down before handling it. Step 2. Remove faceplate. Next, proceed to remove the faceplate by first taking off the cap and unscrewing the plate. Step 3. Remove existing bulb. The next important step involves removing the light bulb. Do so by pushing it slightly and twisting it to the left. Step 4. Install new bulb. Now it's time to install the new bulb. Gently push it in and twist it to the right until it fits securely. Finally, with all steps completed correctly, you should now have successfully replaced the light bulb on your Husqvarna Viking Emerald 116 sewing machine. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Husqvarna users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.